Alright guys, how's it going? I am freezing. I did not dress properly for this. So on my way to work this morning, my car made a weird noise. I just made a clip of it. I had to ditch it, go get my lovely Blazer to go to work. But basically, cylinder number 4 or 3, whatever this one is, the spark plug fell out. Oh no, I didn't bring the magnets. Should have brought the magnet. And the spark plug is sitting down there. It doesn't look burnt. Holy crap, did I not dress for this? This is freezing. So basically what happened is I did a little bit of work over the winter. And the spark plug did not want to go in. I got it in. It did not fall out. But it wasn't in all the way, and it obviously fell out right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get it back in again. I'm going to try to push it in and see if the threads will catch. I know it won't, but I have to try it. I got to get the spark plug somehow now. I can't reach my hand down there, but I'll talk to you guys in a couple minutes. See, I'll let you know what's going on. Woo! Okay, guys, we're back. So it took me a couple minutes. I mean, damn, doing spark plugs on this thing sucks. But she's working. I don't know what happened when I could not get it on there. I literally just took it, jammed her right up there, and she went. The threads, everything. It's actually tight this time. We had 2 people try it when I did the headers over the winter, and it just worked. And she's good to go. So we'll give you a quick little rev up and see what you guys think. She's back and she's pissed off. Alright guys, so obviously you're watching the video, you know the channel. I want you guys to fucking kill it, and please subscribe to my channel. I know y'all gonna hate this because I'm an idiot and the spark plug wasn't in, but I don't know what happened. I don't know how it came out, how it stayed in. It was in there for 6 months, multiple passes, 350 horsepower. I don't know. But it came out, it's back in, she's good to go. So please like the video, please subscribe, please comment, and always guys, stay positive. I'll see you in the next video.